Hey guys, I'm Oliver, and today what I got here is a 1989 Holmes Air table fan. This fan is 12 inches and it oscillates. So this fan has 3 speeds. So I got this fan back in January off of eBay. I saw this fan first heard about one of these fans from the Super Fan Man. I watched a video on his 1999 model, and I just fell in love with this fan. So I found this fan on eBay for 30 bucks, and I bought it, and like I said, I got it back in January, and yeah, I love this fan. This fan is really cool. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. The first speed's high speed. This fan's really quiet. Here's medium. I like medium. Puts out a soothing tone. Alright, and here's low. Alright, now let's flip it back up to high speed, and I'll show you guys how it oscillates. Now this fan works really nicely. It runs super smooth, and the oscillator doesn't even skip. It just works perfectly, so I'm really glad about that. Alright, and now I will give you guys a spin down. So as you can see, it's got a pretty good spin down. Alright, so now I just wanted to show you guys the back of this fan. I really like this fan for a number of reasons. It's quiet, blows a lot of air, and it just looks really cool. Something I really like on this fan, it's just so satisfying, I feel like. I really like the giant knob on the back. I just love this knob here. It's so nice, and when I saw this on YouTube, I just loved it. And then I got it in person. This knob turns so nicely. It's not like stiff or anything. It's a really nice knob. And yeah, I just think this was an awesome choice for this fan. And also, I'd like to talk about the oscillator. It's just this giant box, which I also like. The oscillator on this fan's pretty nice. As you can see, there is a hole here from the previous owner. Apparently, it must have broke. It must I don't know what happened there, but it broke from the previous owner. Now I love this fan, but there is one problem. The plastic on this fan is very brittle. This stuff, it's just flabby and could break away at any second. If you put any pressure or tension on this could probably break off really easily. And this also, these little pieces in here could also probably break off very easily. The plastic on this fan is very brittle. Over the years, this fan must have been in sun a lot, and the plastic just got really brittle. It's also pretty yellowed, as you can see. I'll move the camera back here, but yeah, as you can see, it's pretty brittle, it's pretty yellowed also, so this is probably sitting in a sunny area. Alright, so there you have it, my 1989 Holmes Air table fan. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.